Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have with us Mr. Ayush from Delhi, who got visa for a university based in Ontario, Canada, this year fall intake. Congrats Ayush for your visa approval.
Thank you, sir.
So Ayush, what has been your background academic in India? Also your work experience till date?
Sir, I did BTech and passed it in November 2020. Then I started working in a company as a project manager. The company was based in Delhi only.
Okay. So which university you applied in Canada?
I applied in 𝐼𝐴 University.
𝐼𝐴 University. Which campus?
Brampton campus.
And what program you applied in same university?
I applied in project management.
Okay. So your program was a 2 years program offered by 𝐼𝐴 University.
Yes,
the program was called a project management program.
Yes.
Okay. What was your IELTS score when you applied for Canada?
My overall IELTS score was 7.
7 bands. Okay. So how do you know about the university that you applied in Canada? How you approach IndoEuropean for the process you followed when you were in Delhi?
First of all, I got to know about this consultancy through Google. Then I came to know about this university through you.
Okay, sure. So kindly share your feedback with students, based on how the team supported you in terms of your admission process, the visa process, how they guided you on each stage followed to get the visa for Canada.
The team and people here are very supportive and helpful. I can reach out to them whenever I had any query. They guided me throughout the process with the best advice.
Okay. Thanks for your feedback about the services for IndoEuropean. Now, what is your feedback to the students, your friends in Delhi NCR, who are currently planning to apply visa for any country abroad? What feedback you want to give to them?
बस मेरी एडवाइस ये रहेगी कि जो भी क्वेरीज है उसके साथ यहाँ विजिट करो एक बार और जो माइंड क्लियर हो जाएगा पूरा जो प्रोसेस पता लग जाएगा कैसे क्या और आई एम डैम श्योर आपका भी वीज़ा जल्दी से जल्दी आ जाएगा.
वन इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट, जो वीज़ा आपने कनाडा का अप्लाई किया था, वीज़ा आपका कब तक अप्रूव हुआ? हाउ मेनी डेज इट टुक?
It took only 7 days.
So dear students, Ayush got visa for Canada only 7 days time. Generally, students take a lot of time to get the visa for Canada. When they apply for any college, university, the minimum time is around 1 month for the visa approval. But with God's grace, Ayush got visa only in 7 days at a time from the Canadian government. So it's a good news for you also. Wish you all the best for future endeavors in Canada, Ayush. Do very well in terms of working on your future goals. All students who currently are based in Delhi NCR, who have a goal to apply for admission in Canada, who are looking to pursue their program, the studies in the upcoming intakes, they can contact our experienced team based in Delhi NCR to find out about the best universities, the best colleges, and take experienced guidance on how they can apply visa for Canada. Please press our bell icon to get the latest updates, news about studying in Canada from our experienced team in Delhi. Thank you, everyone.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.